that was a fail. Well, hey guys, the Diamond Buddy here, and today I'm playing on a map called Beep Beep. And you might know it's called the Road Runner map or something like that. Actually, no, it's called Beep Beep. And Sponge, what do I need Sponge for? We're gonna start at 3, 2, 1, go! Oh god, I was so right. No. I will not be teaming with anyone today, unfortunately, because last time they kind of failed me.
Someone
I'm
already threw a
disappointed.
poison potion at me.
Oh my god, you already got poison?
Sorry, I poisoned myself on accident.
You poisoned me too.
Alright, let's get that on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. Alright.
I thought it was the enchantment.
And let's go into here. Oh, there's soul sand everywhere. Double chest. Oh! Oh, you jerks. Okay. Did you guys see that? That scared me. Alright. So, we don't got much great things. I don't want the stupid texture pack.
Oh my god, that poison was like 2 minutes.
Oh my god, really? Alright, let's eat. Oh yeah, what's the grace period? Like a minute? Unfortunately, guys, we have to leave this party. Bye-bye. 30 seconds, I think he said, or something. Sorry, I just can't concentrate with him. And today we're playing with Joe, the amazing Golden Warrior, Turtle Man, and Slashler, and the Diamond Fox. They're really good opponents, I could say. They all have Hunger Games experience. And Enchanted Golden Apple. Or something. You can hear them because I've played with my cousin, and Ballistic Knife, or the Diamond Fox, as you might know him now, is my cousin.
I'm still here.
Yeah, because we just put our TVs right next to each other.
My grandma forced me.
Alright. And we got all the way up here. Why the freak would I want to go here? People
Razor
are...
Steve.
Alright. We got this cap. Maybe if we wanted to with someone. Alright. Right? I need that enchantment. Alright.
A diamond and an iron sword.
Alright, and we got... Oh god. No. No. I'm not that dumb. Oh, what am I doing that for? Someone's just gonna knock me off. I believe this is the hole I came from. So, if there's a way I can just... Ooh, I'm not gonna do that. Let's, go down. Is there, like, water buckets? If I had something. I don't have any good things, unfortunately. Let's go down, go down, go down. Oh, Go, and there we go. That was easier than I thought. I got 2 Harmon potions that I can do. So, let's get this. Crouch. Ooh, this. We can put this on, and we can put that on. Alright. Ooh, let's get this chest. I think I already looted it. Nah, yeah. Alright, let's put on these boots, get these sticks, take these, put the boots on. There we go, full set of armor. Oh god, cactuses, why? Alright, let's go in here. And this map was made by Castle Crafters. You can check out their channel. I will not put it in the description. It's easy to, oh god, we can attack players. It's easy, it's just Castle Crafters.
Okay, I got another poison, David.
Alright, so... And someone was already slayed. Slashler was slayed by Joe the Amazing, I believe.
Dude, that was so not fair.
And we can get that on. Put this. Alright, so let's see.
Once again, I'm sending someone a freaking message.
Let's go, let's go, let's
Oh
go.
my god.
What's in here? A bow. It's good, that's good. Do I have any food? Yeah, bread. I'll just... Damn it. Alright, One sec, guys.